Happy birthday to me. I can't play it, but I want to play it. And guess what? I'm going to do what I want to do because life is too short. So this video is gonna be all mixed up. I just got some bad news about a lady who I attended church with, and yeah, she's no longer with us. So you know what, I've realized that if I need to buy the 1,000 camels, I'm going to buy my 1,000 camels, because if you don't buy the 1,000 camels and you're unhappy, who are you pleasing or who are you fooling? Like, do you want to be happy? Live and be happy, because you don't know when your time is going to come when you are no longer around. So live while you're alive. That's my motto. Okay, so cheers to the birthday girl. That was 2 days ago. It was raining. So as I said, this video, sorry, I started off on a happy note and then I went into a sad thing, and then we're going to do a bit of unboxing because the Ministry of Education of Jamaica gives you money to buy and own your own equipment. It's really to get a laptop. I was trying to see if I could get a projector as well, because it would have been nice to get a projector for yourself where you don't have to be borrowing the department's projector or any other teachers. However, that would mean that I would have to take money out of pocket, and I wasn't willing to do that. So I kind of stretched the voucher. What they do is give you a voucher of $85,000. How much US is that? $700, I think. And so I just stretched it. I didn't need anything extra, anything more than a regular laptop that can do my PowerPoint presentation, save my lesson plans, and this just work related stuff because I already have my personal laptop. I also got me a speaker. I'm not going to take the laptop out because it's all taped up and everything, but I got a speaker because, you know, sometimes you're showing videos, the students at the back need to hear what's going on. Oh, it's actually 2 speakers. So they do have the wireless USB speakers, but I opted for the wired one because you only really need more than this. It looks fine. Hope it's loud enough. We can show movies. Well, mostly videos. We don't watch movies, right? I also got, so remember I told you the price? You have to know how to stretch the money. So I also got a laptop case, and what they do, they send the voucher to you completed. So for your school, you can find it from your Jamaica Teacher Association member. The contact person, that's the person who actually sent us the information. You sign up and then they approve. Once they approve it, they send you the voucher and they send you some approved retailers or stores that you can go and get your stuff. So that's laptop bag. I got a pack of paper because you always need to be printing worksheets and all of that. And even if you're going to photocopy at school, you need to actually bring like a copy, print a copy for them to photocopy, you know what I mean? We don't have a printing service like that where you can, well, I mean, persons have different offices, you can ask different people, but the document center itself that caters to all the teachers, they might have one, but I don't know about it. So I already have a printer, so I got that. I also got this, which is a 6-outlet power strip. It's not super long, but if I need to plug in like the laptop and different things in it, it has 6 outlets. I wanted an extension, but they didn't have any, and you have to spend all the money. You have to finish the voucher at a location, and it's government money, so I'm not gonna really make none go to it. So I took everything that I needed to get. I got me also an extra large ink. They didn't have any colors, so I took the black. I got a mouse to make it much easier. I just got a cheap wired ones is for $500 or 4 US. And I also got a USB card. Whereas my laptop, I don't need to use this, you save in the cloud and all of that. But I'm not sure of the capacity of this particular laptop, so I got this so that push come to shove, I can save lesson plans and all of those work-related stuff on this. So I think that's it in terms of the unboxing. I was telling you about my birthday, how it went. I ate, sleep, responded to messages, went on social media and relaxed because we had tropical storm Raphael and we couldn't go anywhere. So I just, as a matter of fact, I wasn't even planning to go anywhere because I had already done some or gotten some big things for my birthday. So I was like, oh, it's fine. Even if I was gonna go anywhere, it would have been like on the weekend. But I'm happy that I didn't have to go to work. I just pray for all those who went through the storm in a bad way in terms of flooding and so on. But I'm happy that I got the day off. Who wants to be stressed out on their birthday? Most time, like back in the day, I used to take my vacation every time my birthday comes around, at least the weekend or something like that. And I also got my hair done thanks to my good friend. You know yourself if you're watching this. She doesn't want her name to be called, and it was a big sacrifice for her to do it. So, and I love it so much. So that was it. That was what I did for my birthday, and I just dressed up today, Thursday, because I was planning to dress up for the entire week. I usually celebrate my birthday for the entire month of November, so that's fine. If you missed telling me, you can tell me, you can still tell me. And then all the students were like, oh Miss, you look so nice. I will show you my get up. So this is what I wore to work today. This is what I wore. Yeah, super cute, classy. That's me. That's it. Yeah. And I just put this jacket on because it rained a little bit, so it's cooler, so I could actually wear this. So it was so nice. Yeah. And that's it. That's all. And so yeah, I'm going to make sure that I do what I need to do to make myself as happy as I need to be, and just live. Life is too short. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.